We know that if you've never cruised before, it can seem a little scary not knowing what is what, rules on what you can do and what you can bring, and even where you can go.
Today we're going to explain what is included on a cruise.
Hey, we're Addy and Terry, and we invite you to join us on our adventures to see the world as we make cruise and travel vlogs. On this channel, we talk tips, tricks, and ideas to help you make every trip your dream vacation.
With everyone anticipating cruising's return, especially those who've never cruised before, we thought we'd help you out by giving you some information on what is included in your cruise vacation.
And make sure to stick around until the end, because after we've mentioned everything that's included, we will mention a few things that are not.
And while you're watching, be sure to click that thumbs up button to let us know that you like our videos, and click that subscribe button.
We really appreciate your help in getting our channel to grow.
Now, first things first, your stateroom.
Your cruise fare includes the cost of your stateroom accommodation for the duration of your trip. This also includes your stateroom attendant or cabin steward, who's responsible for making up your room twice a day.
Also, depending on the type of stateroom that you book, you may get different perks.
Depending on which cruise line, you may get access to certain restaurants or certain areas on the ship that are specific to that stateroom.
This is like Haven staterooms on Norwegian, the Havana staterooms on Carnival, or the Yacht Club staterooms on MSC.
Or the solo cabins on Norwegian, or the spa or family cabins on Carnival.
Keep in mind that your cabin or stateroom choice is the main factor in your overall total cost. So make sure you look at all of the benefits for each type of cabin before making final choice at booking. Pick the best cabin not only for your perfect vacation, but for your budget.
Next up, meals.
Included in your cruise fare are complimentary breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks throughout the day. And most cruises provide a variety of deliciousness from around the world, from either the buffet or the main dining room or complimentary restaurants.
True. And depending on the cruise line, the buffet may be open 24 hours, providing meal options whenever you want. The main dining room may be available for those who don't like buffets at certain times for breakfast, brunch, lunch, and dinner. Those times are always listed in the cruise line's daily planner or app.
Other meal options include complimentary restaurants from around the ship. These vary from cruise line to cruise line, but often include pizza, burgers, tacos, or sandwiches. These restaurants have varying times as well, so you need to look at the daily planner or app for their availability.
Now, when it comes to beverages, cruise lines have you covered there as well. Included in your cruise fare are certain beverages like iced tea, there's lemonade, regular coffee, some juices, hot chocolate, and filtered water.
Now, a cruise isn't a cruise without certain activities, and the majority of them on board the ship are included.
Now, this includes the pool and the pool deck. This includes the water parks and water slides that most ships have these days, but it also includes some of the dry activities as well, like mini golf, basketball, or soccer, or the fitness center and jogging track.
And depending on the cruise line, it can also be things like zip lines, ropes courses, or bumper cars.
Also included are activities like games and trivia contests, art auctions, dance classes, or musicians playing throughout the day, or depending on the cruise line, could include cooking demonstrations or educational seminars.
And at night can include deck or promenade parties, themed parties, movies, comedians, music, and DJs, or even full-on Broadway shows.
Also included in your cruise fare are the youth programs.
We don't know if this is a perk for the adults or for the kids, but it quickly became one of our main reasons for our family to cruise right away.
The youth programs are basically drop-off educational fun programs for kids ages 3 to 17. This way, the kids get to have fun without their parents around.
And parents get to have some fun without worrying about the kids.
Just about every cruise line has their own version of a youth program, and they tailor to your needs for your vacation, which can include almost the entire day in the program or just an hour or two.
The youth programs are usually broken up by age, and each age has appropriate activities, so the little ones are not playing video games with the teens.
Now that you know what is included, here are a few things that are not.
Also, be sure to watch our other video in this series to get more details on this.
Things that are often not included in your cruise fare are shore excursions, alcoholic beverages, soda, and bottled water.
Other things would be like spa treatments, Wi-Fi or internet service, and of course, shopping and casino activities.
So thanks again for watching.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend.
And subscribe to our channel, and be sure to click the bell to be notified when we post more. Until the next time,
See ya.
See ya.